Despite its sacred status and various rejuvenation plans, the Ganga remained a severely polluted river. But with industries shut and no effluents flowing into the river, plus lack of activity at the ghats due to the lockdown, the Ganga is now cleaner than ever. We must have all seen those infamous images of devotees during a Chhat Puja taking a dip in filthy water nearly invisible beneath toxic foam. But in just a month, the Yamuna has transformed to such an extent that it's nearly unrecognizable. With many countries imposing lockdowns and curbing most human activity over the last few months, residents of several cities around the world have had a much-needed breather. In Punjab, cleaner air isn't the only perk of a drop in air pollution. For the first time in 30 years, literally the first time for many, residents of Jalandhar could see the Dhauladhar range over 200 kilometers away, all the way in Himachal Pradesh. Goats in Wales, ducks in Paris, peacocks in Mumbai. Animals the world over appear to be making the most of the lack of human presence, venturing out to spaces they would usually steer clear of. Since countries placed lockdown measures in place, there's been about a 1/3 drop in seismic noise, which is the hum of vibrations in the planet's crust. Researchers at the Royal Observatory of Belgium in Brussels believe it's a result of transport networks and other human activities being shut down. Although it remains to be proven beyond doubt, the coronavirus pandemic is believed to have originated in a wet market in Wuhan, China, which has put a spotlight on the global wildlife trade. The consumption of wild animals poses a real threat to human health, says Adam Payman of Humane Society International. The wet market COVID link has boosted calls to have such markets shut down worldwide. Trawlers and fishing vessels are docked. Hotels and restaurants are closed. Global demand for seafood had plummeted. The result? Rebound of seafood stocks in the oceans and marine life recovering on the whole. While researchers are still in the process of compiling data, and evidence of marine life recovery is still anecdotal, the sudden rise in the presence of mammals, such as dolphins and seals, in places they hadn't been seen for years proves that a change is underway.